Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th. Our today's topic is food chain. First, we should know what is food. We know that food is anything which we eat, uh, which we eat to get energy or which we eat to live. Anything which gives us energy. It means that food contains energy. Food contains energy. Different organisms, they prepare or they obtain food through the different modes. The food or energy, it can be transferred from one organism to another organism through food chains. Food can be transferred from one organism to the other organism through food chains. So we can say that food chain, it is a sequence of organism of in a community in which one organism consumes another organism, or in which one organism consumes another organism to transfer energy. This is called food chain. If we look at the different food chains, we see that the starting food point of a food chain is a category of organism. They are called producers. The starting point of a food chain is a category of organisms. They are called producers. Producers are the starting point of every food chain. Food producers are in fact plants. So we can say that all the food chains, they begin with the producers, which is the original source of all plants. Food chains, they begin start with a plant, with a producer, with a green plant. To clear this point, let us take an example. Let us take an example to understand the meaning of food chain. For example, there is a field of grass plants. There is a field having a lot of green plants, producers. These plants, they can be eaten by a sheep or by a rat. So green plants, there is field of green plants. These green plants, they are eaten by a rat. These green plants, they are eaten by a deer, and this deer in turn, it can be eaten by a lion. Green plants, they are eaten by a rat. This rat is in turn eaten by a cat. Cat is in turn eaten by a dog. So we find that there is a sequence, order, in which one organism eats up the other organism, to fulfill its belly. This sequence of living organisms in a community, the sequence of organisms in a community in which one organism consumes another organism another organism to transfer energy, to transfer energy. This is called اتھ چھِ وَنان food chain. Food chain. یا وَنو أسۍ simple words, یا ہسا چھِ list of organisms showing who eats whom. A list of organisms showing who eats whom. This sequence or this list, this order, it is called food chain. اتھ ہسا چھِ وَنان کیٛاہ food chain.